The Crim Nutrition team presents How to Make Fruits and Vegetables Last Longer. Hello, my name is Shanna, and today we're going to talk about how to make our food last longer. Let's begin with my plate. My plate consists of 5 food groups. They are fruits, vegetables, dairy, grains, and protein. We are going to just talk about 2 food groups today, fruits and vegetables. If you notice, my plate is half fruits and vegetables. To find out more about my plate, visit choosemyplate.gov. Let's begin with the different ways of how to purchase fruits and vegetables. As you can see here, we have 3 types of carrots. We have fresh carrots, frozen carrots, and canned carrots. Fruits and vegetables that are frozen and canned are harvested at the peak of their seasons. These are the pros and cons of purchasing fruits and vegetables, fresh, frozen, and canned. Please take a moment to pause the video to look over this information. After purchasing our fruits and vegetables, we need to decide where to store them. Most fruit and some vegetables can be stored on the counter. Most vegetables and some fruits should be stored in the refrigerator. Most fruits and vegetables can last up to a week in the refrigerator. I store my vegetables and fruits in the humidity control crispers. For vegetables, the humidity should be set on high. For fruits, the humidity should be set on low. When storing items in the refrigerator, be sure it is at 40 degrees or below. I keep 2 thermometers in my refrigerator, one in the back and one in the front. Here is more information when purchasing and storing fresh fruits and vegetables. Please take a moment to pause the video to look over this information. Before you eat your fruits and vegetables, be sure to wash them. You can do this by mixing 3 parts of water and 1 part of vinegar, or you could mix 3 parts of water and 1 part of apple cider vinegar. What does 3 parts to 1 part mean? That means whatever measurement you use, whether it's a teaspoon, a tablespoon, or any size cup, you use 3 measurements of water and 1 measurement of vinegar or apple cider. Let's measure out our 3 parts of water and 1 part of vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Now we can wash our fruits and vegetables. Now that our fruits and vegetables are washed, we can cut them into smaller pieces. After the fruits and vegetables are cut into smaller pieces, you could eat them or freeze them. I like to place my fruits and vegetables onto a cookie sheet with a paper towel. The paper towel sucks up any water left over from washing and juices from the fruit. Some fruits and vegetables may need to be blanched before freezing to maintain the quality. Then I place the cookie sheet of fruits and vegetables into the freezer. When storing items in the freezer, be sure it is at 0 or below. I keep 2 thermometers in my freezer, one in the back and one in the front. Do not throw these items away. You could store them in a freezer bag and save them for later to make your own vegetable broth or stock. After the fruits and vegetables have frozen, you can place them in a freezer bag or container. I always label mine with the item, the date, and sometimes the amount. Most fruits and vegetables last up to a year in the freezer. Frozen fruit is great for smoothies or baking. Frozen vegetables are great to go into entrees or to be used as side dishes. Here is more information on how to freeze fruits and vegetables. Please take a moment to pause the video to look over this information. Canned fruits and vegetables should be stored in a cool, dry place. If you are purchasing canned fruit, be sure to check out what the fruit is stored in. An example, I have canned peaches. Sometimes fruit could be stored in syrup, juice, or water. My peaches are stored in 100% juice. This reduces the sugar intake. It is recommended that you rinse off your canned fruits and vegetables to reduce the sodium and salt intake. Thank you for joining me as we explored how to make our fruits and vegetables last longer.